From stem cells to protein crystal growth to rodent research to experiments residing outside of the space station. This launch showcases a variety of inquiry that really highlight microgravity and the extreme conditions of space.
At Space Tango, we really focus on the complicated process of sending science to the International Space Station so that the researcher can focus on what they do best, which is their science. Tango Lab 1 on the International Space Station is really the first brick in that step of that vision. SpaceX 10 represents the first time that we have customers using Tango Lab 1. We have a wide array flying on this flight. We have plant growth studies, we have cell culture studies, we have education experiment, and then moving into SpaceX 11, we have work in stem cells, leukemia, tissue mimetics, many different areas. One of the big changes I think that's happened is the miniaturization and the smarts basically of the electronics. And so what that really kind of done is you're able to build a lot of sensing capability and computing capability in something about the size of a loaf of bread or a tissue box. When we start working with customers and researchers, we really try to understand exactly what they're trying to do, and then with our kind of internal knowledge of all of the NASA standards that we have to meet, to design something that is as easy to plug into the space station as possible. One of the really important things about the space station and the National Lab is it's really an incubator. If the National Lab and the ISS didn't exist, we as companies, these business models wouldn't exist at all.
CASIS has developed a sponsored program model where we partner with strategic organizations on solving big problems. One of these partners is the Mass Life Sciences Center.
The Massachusetts Life Sciences Center is our state's investment agency in life sciences. We're charged with implementing a $1 billion investment initiative to accelerate growth in the life sciences industry here, but also to accelerate the development of new treatments and therapies and cures that will improve patient care. Galactic Grant Competition was a new approach for the Life Sciences Center. It was a competition through which we made $500,000 in funding available so that we could support projects leveraging the unique research platform of the ISS to improve patient care. We're excited to see these projects launch, but we're even more excited to see the results. This has the potential to improve patient care across the entire globe.
For me, nanobiophysics has been a journey to bring fundamental physics and biomedicine together using nanotechnology as a bridge. We are decentralizing, personalizing, and mobilizing the next generation of infrastructure needed to deliver healthcare. What we're doing in the first project with CASIS and NASA is we are looking at putting organisms like superbugs, like MRSA, on the International Space Station to see into the future what the mutations of these bugs might look like. We can take that data back on Earth and refine algorithms on how we predict what the mutations are going to be so we can build better drugs on Earth. I think that microgravity research, much like nanotechnology, is a highly interdisciplinary field. And the greatest advances in this field will be made when many fields of science and scientists can come together collaboratively to really examine this new frontier. And I think CASIS has played a wonderful role in enabling those sets of conversations and collaborations across traditional silos.
The U.S. National Lab is a platform for cutting-edge and breakthrough technology. It's not about one project. It's about creating a whole new field of science that can truly change our life here on Earth.